Trump gave a speech last night and markets actually liked it. He proposed a government backed 401k program for workers without employer matches, plus a ban on institutional investors buying single family homes. The S&P 500 is up 0.3% today. Turns out domestic policy can overshadow tariff chaos. Bitcoin crashed below 63K this morning, but we've seen 3.8 billion Bitcoin ETF outflows this month as institutional players unwind base trades. But by this evening, BTC has recovered, probably retesting. I don't think we go on 70K or cool it. Has many barriers here to retest, but we never know. Here is my bracket, my price range. The reason of that is because I marked the candle on the weekly candle when it was weaker on the downtrend. So I marked it to see the plane here so I can do small trades between this range. Unfortunately, today I didn't manage to get along. To those who got along, well done. Enjoy your profit, but don't forget to take your profits. The biggest earnings report of the quarter drops tonight after market close for Nvidia, and by the time you're watching this, we might already know the results. Nvidia is expected to deliver massive numbers, and the stock is up 1.8% today. I'm sure optimism. AMD jumped 7% yesterday, which gave the AI sector some relief heading into this report. Get a read. I have the links on the description if you want to read on that. Now, for BTC on the weekly, got some relief candle here. Will it continue to rise? Will it fluctuate? High probability for weekly to close lower, but you never know. Still, 200 EMA resistance on the weekly. Daily, if daily close says above, we might see another bullish candle on the weekly, probably trying to test the 70K. Let's check the RSI. Oops, my bad. The RSI of the daily was a all-time low. Yeah, and bounce followed. Let's see. We're currently above 68K. Okay, S&P 500. As we've seen before, 0.3% increase today. Yeah. This is daily ranging. Let's see if it will go back to retest this range to get around 7,000. Might try to retest the 7,000 USD. Now about gold. Yeah, gold had a nice run on daily candles, but seems slowing down. It will be ranging here, probably on lower time frames. Yep. Let's see. Let's watch how it will react if it goes back to 5250. So things to remember today: Bitcoin bounced from 63K back to 65K. Volatility is extreme, but buyers showed up at support. Let's see if they can keep holding. Gold holding is 590 with JP Morgan targeting $6,300. That's where their targets are. Ooh, let's go on the weekly. It's too high. Yep. It's high possible with all the heat in the world, people heading to safe assets like gold. No one knows if there's going to be a World War III, like total chaos. Let's hope not, because when these assets, usually in history rising, then crisis is on the line. Stay safe, everyone, and have a great day.